in that fashion, but I would want to see any team in the PSL to challenge Sundowns without problems.
Sanibona bafethu, ayinali iqhawe selikhulumile bafethu, liyasho ukuthi hayi siphezulu ngenxa ukuthi enye indoda iphansi. Angivumelana nalo bafethu when you look ukuthi iSundowns njengoba dominate league is because according to me Pirates and Chiefs went doing well for the past seasons. Mawukhumbula la khona iChiefs ekade number 1, they lost league ngumzuzu wokugcina. So and ubheka iform Pirates was very bad, and the Chiefs now is still trying to find themselves kuze kube manje. I think that is why iSundowns iphezulu. Should I say iDowns ibingenzi kahle because Pirates the Chiefs ibingenzi kabi? No, they found iform yabo bebewina ngokufanelekile regardless ukuthi ileague ibinjani. If uzokhumbula mfowethu ukuthi ileague yethu njengamanje for me is better, ukwazi ukuthola igame neMarumo Gallants, ukwazi ukuthola igame neSikhukhune, ukwazi ukuthola igame neArrows. Mawubheka kuma seasons adlule bengenze ibikhona i-team encane. Ngikhuluma ngesikhathi so-Platinum Stars, but nje ngikhuluma mhlawumbe for the past 5 years i-league yethu was very low ngalendlela esimanga, but now you can see ukuthi ama-teams ayakhuphula. For me ngingayibheka ngokuthi ama-teams asekhuphulile and i-league isiba nzima kuwona wonke ama-games. So now how can you say ukuthi iDowns inama-problems? They took uSaleng banabo Leon, how many signings abawenzile on the money? How many high profile signings abawenzile ko bani oSquavel nang manje number 10 Cupido, you name it, there's still umshishi yini kanti lengaka elimele ngokuhamba kwaRivero. Coming to iPirates, we lost to coach uRivero osifakise kuma semi-final kwi-CAF. We lost uSaleng, we lost Mbowazi. We didn't just lose Mbowazi, we lost a captain, we lost standard player kuMbowazi, we lost Mabasa njengamanje. Like kuyaqhubeka. Coming to i-lineup yethu njengamanje, i-back four yethu, you'll find a CM who's new, you'll find a Ndaba who's new. This is 2 players. Coming to i-midfield, you'll find a Makawula and Mfokeng, maybe 2 regular players or senior players or Mbata. Forward, you find new players. Moremi is new, Mbotuma Musha, Msendame Musha, Tijong Musha, Sinokosho Musha. Loyal team for me, it says inama problems because it's team eqala phansi. So how can you say ukuthi team ekuma quarter finals eAFCON inama problems? Team number 2 league inama problems. Come on guys, ningadlali ngathi. It's time ukuthi idominance abiphele, and ama teams are doing very well. They went to I think Marumo Gallants gave them a game, and then Arubi let go of a game. Even kuma past seasons Labant have been dominating from our referees, have been dominating from our mistakes, our opponents. Umehluko manje ukuthi we will find a TS Galaxy going to play against Sundowns away and they'll give them a game. Umehluko lapho ukuthi ama teams are willing to play against them.